Over 50. If you wake up with lower back stiffness and stubborn belly fat, don't force high-impact workouts. This gentle 15-minute Tai Chi walking melts away back pain, burns belly fat, and restores your vitality in 2 weeks. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 1. Back step with side arm swing. Extend arms forward and step back into a gentle lunge, swinging both arms to the side. This movement ignites your core, burns calories, and gently relieves lower back stiffness. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 2. Heel tap with arm reach. Tap your heel forward while reaching the opposite arm straight up. It gently stretches your legs, opens your tight shoulders, and boosts total body blood circulation. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 3. Backward kick with elbow pull. Kick one leg back while bending your elbows and squeezing your upper back. This engages your spinal muscles, relieves posture-related back pain, and melts upper body tension. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 4. Side tap with lateral stretch. Step out to the side and reach overhead diagonally, feeling a deep stretch along your waist. This helps burn side belly fat, lengthens your spine, and eases lower back tightness. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 5. Heel tap with overhead reach. Tap your heel forward and stretch both arms straight up overhead. This full body extension lifts pressure off your lower back, burns belly fat, and energizes your body. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 6. Forward bend with palm push. Cross your hands at chest level, then bend forward and push your palms outward with a flat back. It deeply stretches your entire spine, directly relieving back pain. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 7. Half squat with arm open. Stand shoulder width apart. Open your arms wide, then half squat while pulling your elbows back. This strengthens your legs, activates belly fat burning, and relieves lower back tightness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 8. Knee lift with shoulder tap. Lift one knee while bringing your hands up to gently tap your upper back and shoulders. This boosts blood circulation, releases neck and shoulder stiffness, and engages your core. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 9. Back kick with arm swing. Kick one straight leg backward while swinging both arms behind you. This targets lower back muscles to ease spinal stiffness and helps tone your glutes and waist. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 10. Back step with elbow pull. Reach your arms up, then step back into a lunge while pulling your elbows down and squeezing your upper back. This opens your chest, improves posture, and melts away back pain. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 11. Lunge with chest expansion. Hold elbows in front of your chest, then step back into a lunge while opening your arms wide. This deep chest stretch relieves upper back tension and boosts metabolic calorie burn. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Side tap with arm reach. Tap your toe to the side with a soft knee bend while reaching the opposite arm overhead. This sharpens your balance, trims waistline fat, and keeps your spine flexible. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Arm swing with back and shoulder tap. Swing arms to gently tap your back and upper shoulder while twisting your torso. This releases deep spinal stiffness, stimulates blood flow, and melts lower back tension.
Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't
3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Knee lift with arm cross and open. Lift one knee while crossing arms at your chest, raising them high and sweeping them open. This engages your core to burn belly fat and relieves stiff back muscles. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Half squat with overhead extension. Sink into a gentle half squat while reaching both arms straight up overhead. This stretches your whole spine, relieves lower back strain, and strengthens leg muscles. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Crossbody arm stretch. Hold one arm flat across your chest and pull it inward using your other arm. Feel a deep stretch across your shoulder and upper back, unlocking tight joints and releasing strain. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Front lunge stretch. Step forward into a soft lunge and gently press your hips down. This releases hip tightness, takes pressure off your lower back, and improves lower body balance. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 18, one leg tree balance. Stand firm on one leg with palms pressed together at your chest. This strengthens your knees and ankles, sharpens core balance to prevent falls, and calms your nerve system. Wonderful job today! You took a great step toward a pain-free back and a leaner core. Which movement refreshed your rusty joints the most today? Tell me in the comments below, hit like, subscribe, and replay daily.